A good health can protect you from all difficulties in your life. It make you a confident person. Good health increase your confidence level. Some people are not aware of their health. There is always one reason in there. They don't like to eat. And reason of this behind life situation, circumstances, their lack of knowledge about life, their lack of awareness about their good health and body. They are like stuck in a limitation in their mind. They are psychologically weak. Hello friends, I am Aditya Das. I am a YouTuber and I live in Kolkata, India. A good physique is incredible. A good physique need food. Main thing is from food we can achieve a good health, which is our main armor in our life. So, how we can eat, which fulfill our body's need. I want to say, for eating, for not wasting the food, for not skipping your minerals, you need to be follow good mindset. Simple thing, you have to be follow good mindset. Our main problem, we follow bad mindset. That's why our life going downward. Day by day, we become weak. Now, if we follow only good mindset, if we focus on following only good mindset, then automatically awareness of good things in our life increase in us. The issue of our life, health, wealth, limitation of our thinking, not growing in our life, everything can improve day by day. Only from focusing on good mindset, we can direct our life automatically in progressive way. So the conclusion of this video, we all know health is wealth. We know how to achieve good health. But until today, we don't know how to accomplish that strategy. So to accomplish a good physique, for this, we need to be follow good mindset, which is our necessity. My main motive to make this video, I want to increase awareness of good things in our life. I hope you understand what I want to say. In the end, thanks for watching this video and always stay connected with me. Thank you.